Hello, hi, welcome to Healthy Lifestyle. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos and then press the bell icon. Today I just wanted to show you two simple recipes using this moong dal. As we all know, this is the best dal to use in summer and it is very good for all of us. So here we see the recipe now. As we all know, this is nutrients rich food and protein rich food too. So here it improves digestive system also and boosts blood circulation, aids in weight loss too. So without wasting much time, let us see the recipe of this moong dal. So here I have taken a cup of moong dal and where I have washed and soaked it 2 hours before. See, this is the soaked moong dal where I have soaked before 2 to 3 hours. So here we will shift this moong dal to this blender. I have taken a medium size jar. So into this I am going to add this moong dal, soaked moong dal. So once we add this moong dal to this mixer, then I am going to add here 2 green chilli. You can increase or decrease this green chillis as per your taste. So I have taken almost 1 full teaspoon of jeera. As we all know, jeera is very good for digestion and it gives a nice flavor also. So then I am going to add crystal salt. As per your taste, you can add crystal salt or Himalayan rock salt as per your taste, and I am going to add a handful of curry leaves, and then we'll add, and as we know, curry leaves is very good for hair growth also. Here I have added 4 to 5 black pepper also. Then we'll add a small piece of ginger. I think it's almost ½ inch ginger piece, which is very good for our health also and which is very good, which improves our digestive system also. Now we are going to add a glass full of water. I think I have taken here 1.5 glass of water. If you want, you can increase or decrease as per your consistency, batter consistency. So now we'll close the lid and give a nice blend. Once the batter is nicely mixed, we'll take it to an open bowl. So you see the consistency of the batter. I think we need to add some more water. So let us add a little bit of water. I think some 3 to 4 spoons of water. Yeah, this is more than enough. Now just give a nice mix to this batter using this spoon or something. So mix it nicely so that it blends well. See, this consistency is more than enough to put dosa, or this is the best consistency to prepare dosa. So now take tawa. I have taken here iron tawa. You can even put on whatever you have. Now just put this batter and spread it nicely. Keep on spreading well so that dosa becomes nice, crispy, and it will be good. Not too much crispy. We can't expect too much crispy in this dosa. After 2 to 3 minutes, just sprinkle some oil. Here I have taken groundnut oil. You can even use some coconut oil or gingerly oil as per your wish. So after some 3 to 4 minutes, we can even flip it off this dosa. You see how nice my dosa is coming. So nicely we can even flip it off. Now just turn out this dosa. You see nice golden color. So here into this just turn it off again, this dosa, and now this dosa is ready to serve. You see how nice it is, dosa and red chutney. If you want to know this red chutney recipe, I'll just put this link in the description box. Please note down if you want. Now we'll prepare one more dish using this moong dal. So for this I have taken soaked moong dal itself. This one also I have soaked 2 hours before. It is an optional step. If you want, you can soak, or you can do it directly also. So just on stove and keep this moong dal and add some water. I have taken almost 1:4 cups of water and let it boil for a while. So once it is boiled nicely, you see how it is coming out. So now take a spoon and mix it well nicely. Mix well nicely so that it doesn't come out and spit it. Keep on mixing this well, and this moong dal is very good to good for weight loss also. And this is the traditional sweet recipe of South Kannada, South India. Now you see this is nicely boiled. You see how nice it is boiled. Now this dal is also almost smashed. Now in this stage we can add some jaggery. Here I have taken organic jaggery powder. I'll show you, wait one second. Here I have taken organic jaggery powder. Just give a nice mix. I think I need to add some more jaggery. Here I have just added little. I think I have added 1 cup of jaggery here. I'll add another half cup of jaggery. Let me show you. See, this is the jaggery. I am using it now. See, this is the jaggery, organic jaggery powder. So this one I am going to add almost half cup. So here I have added almost 1.5 cup of jaggery powder. As this differs the sweetness, so this is bit low sweetness when compared to other jaggery. So I have taken almost 1.5 cup of jaggery. You can increase or decrease this jaggery as per your taste. So once this is mixed well, we'll add some crushed ilachi. I have taken 3 crushed ilachi here. If you want, you can even skip if you don't like to add this ilachi. Now in this case we can even switch off the stove once this both are blended. Now into a mixie jar I am going to add fresh coconut, a small piece of fresh coconut which I have cut it into small pieces. Into the same jar I am going to add almost some 15 to 20 soaked almonds where I have soaked and peeled out. And I am going to add almost a glass full of water to this same jar. See, I am going to add a glass full of water so that we can even extract this almond milk and coconut milk into this payasam. So give a nice blend for this. Then once it is blended, make sure that you're switching off this stove and then pouring this water. Now see how nice it is. I make sure that I am not going to filter here, because if we add with pulp itself, it will be good. Now once it is added, I am going to add dry fruits where I have roasted in ghee. Now give a nice mix to this payasam. This is the very easy payasam where everyone can do, even bachelors, youngsters, anyone can do this. Give a nice mix to this payasam. Make sure that you're not switching on the stove. After you switch off itself, you add this milk. Now this payasam is ready to serve. Hope so you all enjoy my dishes, and thank you. Please do subscribe my channel.